Hello everyone and welcome to the unboxing video of the Vanguard V24 stereo tube microphone, stereo tube condenser microphone. One of a kind because a very limited batch of these microphones have been made, 10 only, and this is the really first microphone shootout from Vanguard Audio Labs that we received here at Floating Point Audio. So very proud of that and thankful to Derek from Vanguard Audio Labs. The microphone comes with some papers and certificates. We will see. I'm going to show them quickly. So you have this booklet presenting, congratulating and presenting the microphone, a small overview, performance and design, accessories, some use examples, the power supply front and back, also some a reminder of the features and the specifications, warranty, etc. Also this note that comes from Derek, the designer, that specifies that this particular run was special. We did every single piece of assembly by hand in our California workshop, in addition to the business CK12 capsules, GE 5-star tubes, Cinemac transformers, no-trick interconnects, and other high-end components. We have added some special one-of-a-kind items to these first units, and these are the special cryogenic treatment they did for the PCB cables, wiring and connection, in addition to the usual treatment of signal path. A cryogenic treatment, for those that don't know what it is it's a treatment in the process of treating workpieces to cryogenic temperatures. That's about minus 190 degrees, minus 310 degrees Fahrenheit, in order to remove residual stresses and improve wear resistance in steel and other metal alloy like aluminum. They have also included a tri-orbital M2R we're going to see, in addition to the microphone grade GE 5-star triple mica 6072 vacuum tube. We have included a cryogenically treated modern Electro-Harmonix 12A Y7 6072A for an additional tube flavor. That's nice. The 10 first units use fully sealed silver contact toggle switches from NKK Switch for even more longevity and reliability. Each V24 from the first run is soldered with Kester SAC 305 3% silver solder. They specify that you will notice that the solder joints may seem to be a little dull, as SAC 305 doesn't typically shine up the way other solders do. So anyways, good information, details to have. And of course the certificate, the microphone certificate, and serial number 24-00006. Okay, as you can see, it comes in a very nifty, very nice actually, transport case with a badge here, V24 badge, up, and wow. There is a lot to say about what's inside, so let's start quickly. We have this cover from Vanguard to let you cover the microphone when it's not used, to protect it against dust and moisture. Always cover your microphone when it's not used. Then we have this shock mount, VLSM, which is only by itself, it's a great accessory because first of all, it's massive. It's made of massive aluminum, very heavy duty. I mean, you can feel it. It's, I mean, just touching it, you makes you feel that it's a very high quality shock mount. These rings are military grade ones, so very hard to break, very long life ones. We tried here with a colleague to break one, we couldn't, and each of us weighed something like 100 kilos, so we put a lot of energy without being able to break any. And the good thing is that this suspension, this shock mount, is compatible with tons of other microphones. So you can order it for your microphone to upgrade your shock mount. The other thing I love with this shock mount is that there is nothing in the front. It's it's open, so you can bring it very close to the source for guitar amp, bass amp recordings, or other uses, of course. So you can get very, very close, and there is no reflection from the front of the shock mount. So this one is coming in the box. Then we have the 5-meter cable with Neutrik connectors. Two Neutrik 3-pin connectors on one side, and the other one is an 8-pin proprietary for the power supply. There is a power cable coming for us, dedicated to the French, compatible with the French connectors. The spare tube that the document was talking about is a 6072A 12AY7 to give you a different flavor. This is not a spare tube, but just let you check the microphone with another tube that is cryogenic treated also, which is very nice from them. And the M2R adapter. Tri-Orbit is making microphone stands, speaker stands, lots of accessories, adapters. They are very well thought and very heavy duty, not cheap, but as usual, quality has a price. So that's very nice from the guys from Vanguard Audio Labs to ease our lives with this, that let you position the shock mount almost in every angle and position. Then we have some more goodies. The Vanguard Audio Labs sticker here. We have the business sticker because you have two CK12 from business handmade capsules made in Australia. There is also the Cinemag because of the Cinemag transformers included, and a checklist, manual checklist made by Cade on 12/11/23 or 11th of December 23. So a few days ago. Always good to have. Then we have the power supply, ladies and gentlemen. This is pretty heavy for, first of all, something like 4 or 5 kilos at least. Steel brushed finish, manually done, and laser engraved. Nice. V24 heat dissipation opening. Wow. These guys, Derek has been, he gave everything on this microphone, I guess. On the front side, you have the connectors, top and bottom. The main connector. This connector has a story, so I let you check it on one of the videos from Derek from the last AES. He's talking about this connector and how hard he had to fight to get it. The bottom and the top capsules are getting connected to these, and you can add a second microphone and which is phase reversed for that kind of recording. The 9 polarities you can adjust independently for the top and the bottom capsule, of course. 9 polarities. On the back, we have the power adapter switch, 110 to or 240. The main connector, a fuse, spare fuse, and the main power switch. I mean, this thing can go to any war. It's very nice, very heavy duty. And finally, the microphone by itself in a pine wood box with Vanguard Audio Labs logo engraved as usual with all Vanguard Audio Labs microphones. And are you ready? Wow. This baby, the V24, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's see the details. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is a steel body, brushed like the power supply, hand brushed and hand finished. The heat dissipation on the back. The business CK12 capsules. These are the NKK switches that were mentioned in the document too. High pass filter you can activate on the top or bottom capsule independently. There is an important note. There is something important I have to tell you guys, because Derek is insisting on the fact that this project was a labor of love for him, and he didn't set out to make this mic sound exactly like the C24 for a lot of reasons he has detailed on his website and on different forums like Gearspace, but just a phenomenal stereo tube mic that makes the engineer's life easier and opens up more creative avenues. So I would say, for me personally, it's an improved C24 with less noise, better headroom, and this, I mean, as you noticed, the top capsule can be rotated for 120 degrees. But I mean, when you rotate this capsule, there is not even a millimeter of gap, so it's absolutely not moving. That's horizontally. So this is fitted by pressure, I guess, and it's very, very solid, fantastic. I mean, that gives you confidence, on the quality of the microphone. The logo, of course, laser engraved serial number, and logo on the front too. The famous 8-pin connector. Wow. Okay, in this video you guys are not going to hear the microphone by itself, but we are preparing a new one that comes with a very special mic preamplifier. It's going to be something because it's a modular preamplifier, and it's the very best timing to try it with this fantastic microphone. So stay tuned, and hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care.